Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Centenario and this is by Majorette. This is from their mainline series and I bought this for MRP which is 199. So I was really happy to get this one because I was looking for Majorette to do this casting for so long because I know for sure that they would go with acrylic headlights and all. So the moment I saw this I bought it immediately. Okay, again I don't know why I am saving this card. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box the casting looks really nice. It has some paint detailing, you can see some pink painting here which is mist. I think they actually went with whole pink paint job and then on top of that they black painted it, so that's why the issue is here. So it has rear view mirrors which is really nice. It has interior detail that is unique to this casting, that also looks really nice. And my personal favorite, it has the acrylic inserts for headlights and the logo placement is really nice. It is not messed up or anything. So it doesn't have any grill detailing here, that is a bit of letdown, but I mean it has rest of the detailing, so I am good with it. So you can see the tail light detailing here and it has the Lamborghini logo here, that also looks really good. So you can see the exhaust detailing here, that also looks really nice. And okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic and it does have a little bit of engine detailing here. It's a bit hard to see since it's like hardly tinted, black tinted glass. I mean the plastic which they went with, but maybe you guys can see it a little bit from your perspective since light is hitting directly on it. So it's a good casting. I personally love this set of rims. They actually went with the same set of rims for this Lamborghini Huracan back then. So I don't know about the recent one they did, that black one which they released. I don't know what rims that one has. I need to check that. But the Majorette one, this particular rims are absolutely awesome. So that looks really nice. Okay, let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension, which is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. See, it doesn't feel heavy, but that's what I thought for that Ford also. But let's see. 32 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble. Let's do it one more time. So again, we did suspension test first. Even after that, I'm not seeing any wheel wobble. It rolls good, but not well like a track performer or Hot Wheels, but it still rolls really good. Okay, so it is a bit elevated from the ground actually because of the suspension it has. So that is the only thing with some of the Majorettes when it comes to the authenticity. Because of the suspension you can see it is like I don't know, maybe the real Lamborghini actually has this gear lift or something like that, to get over the speed breaker or something like that. But okay, let's rate this casting now. So see, it has headlight details, it has tail light details, and so see, mine has this paint job issue here, but yours might not have. So that is not a common thing. So I'm not considering that for now. I mean, maybe never. Okay, so maybe so this is just a main line. So I don't know. Maybe one thing I can tell is that ground clearance I'm talking about, because this is supposed to be maybe lower to the ground, but it is a bit elevated to the top. So maybe for that I can reduce zero point 0.5, but nothing much to put a finger on here because everything is already there. So 9.5 out of 10. So again, this is for the Lamborghini fans. It's a must have. Go and get it. And if you are a collector, again my personal choice would be Majorette for the same price range, because again it has all the detailing and it actually looks really cool when you are keeping it in display like this. Because if you guys remember back then I used to have this Hot Wheels display case. So I used to have like a lot of Majorettes on that one. That looked absolutely gorgeous. But after that I realized it is getting a lot of dust and all because it had a lot of holes on the back side in that case. So I replaced everything with this one. and I kept every Majorette safe now. So because those are I'm not able to get those nowadays. So I kept everything safe. I cleaned everything and kept it safe now. Okay. So this is for all the collectors out there, all the Lamborghini fans out there, and if you guys want a Lamborghini Centenario, by in a very detailed manner, this would be it. I would suggest this one because it has wiper detailing and everything as well. That looks really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.